Finding new products to sell has never been easier. With Allpodi, you're not limited to a single producer or just one item. Start by exploring the portfolio page. Here, you'll find a wide selection of production partners, each with their own unique catalog. When you open a product category, you'll see the types of products at the top, along with which producers manufacture each one. Clicking on a producer reveals useful details, like how many products they offer, their average production times, and their track record for successful fulfillment. Scroll further, and you'll discover everything you need to compare and decide. Product types, colors, sizes, materials, brands, costs, and packing fees. You can even click details for mock-ups, images, and extended information. Every producer's pricing is clear and transparent. You'll always know upfront what a product costs, so you can plan your margins with confidence. With Allpodi, building your product line is simple. Browse, choose, customize, and sell.